Have you ever considered how plants play a crucial role in our lives? The plant kingdom, or plantae, is diverse and essential for ecosystems and humanity. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis, supporting food webs worldwide. They shape our atmosphere, regulate water cycles, and provide vital resources. Let's explore the major groups of plants: bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Each group represents significant evolutionary advancements. First, we have bryophytes, the non-vascular plants like mosses and liverworts. These small plants thrive in moist environments. Their life cycle mainly involves a gametophyte stage, which requires water for sperm to fertilize the egg. Though small, bryophytes contribute to soil formation and carbon storage by retaining moisture and providing habitats. Next are pteridophytes, the seedless vascular plants such as ferns. They feature true vascular tissues, allowing them to grow larger than bryophytes. Their life cycle is characterized by a dominant sporophyte stage, which also requires water for reproduction, as sperm must swim to the female structures. Pteridophytes have ecological significance and have historically contributed to fossil fuel deposits. Now let's look at gymnosperms, the seed plants without flowers. Examples include conifers and ginkgos. They produce seeds that offer protection and aid in dispersal. Gymnosperms are well adapted to various climates, providing timber and industrial materials. Finally, we have angiosperms, the flowering plants, the most diverse group. They possess flowers for efficient pollination and fruits to protect seeds. Their dual fertilization process enhances reproductive success and diversity. Angiosperms are key to agriculture, supplying our staple foods and essential materials, while also supporting diverse ecosystems. In summary, understanding these major plant groups helps us appreciate their roles and evolutionary significance. Bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms illustrate the incredible innovations plants have developed to thrive on land, making them foundational to life on Earth. Now, it's time to appreciate our green companions. Consider planting a tree or supporting conservation efforts to protect plant diversity. Let's work together to ensure that these incredible organisms continue to thrive for future generations.